Hello learners and welcome back. Today we're going to look at some of the aspects of verbal communication skills. Before that, did any one of you get a chance to look at the 4 golden rules? If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you can always check our introductory video. You will find the link in the description section. If you do, then please share with us about your experiences in the comments section. Alright then, moving ahead. Communication is one of the crucial aspects of our lives. From the time we wake up and we close our eyes, we spend a lot of time speaking and listening to people. Some of us even talk in our sleep. In any organization today, communication is the most important factor, hands down. Let's look at the communication diagram below for a better understanding of the process. As we can see in the diagram, that communication is impacted by several factors. In this training program, we aspire to understand each component of this process that makes up the way we speak. So how do we speak? Let's take a look at the articulators which help us to articulate our speech. You don't see the most important articulator though, and that's your breath, which helps you to produce the sounds and control your volume, apart from, of course, keeping you alive. As the diagram shows, that each sound is produced by our articulators. In the following classes, we will learn how to control, manipulate, and use articulators in order to create the correct sounds. As with any form of exercise, it is absolutely imperative to warm up before getting into the actual exercise. Similarly, it is a necessary part of the process to warm up the articulators in order to start the actual process of speaking. We've prepared a series of short videos which will help you to exercise each of these articulators in your own free time. You will find these videos in the handout section on our webpage. Please find the link below. I would urge you to look at these videos and treat them as a part of the course material. And whenever you get the time, please practice as much as possible. All right. Now that you have practiced and all set to understand the components of communication, let's look at the first one, pronunciation. In order to understand this better, we will quickly take a look at the English alphabet, which has 26 letters. Here's the catch. Let's take the letter A and write down 4 words with the letter A in them. Arm, apple, pay, awesome. Let's read out these words again and listen to the sound of the letter A. Arm, ah, apple, a, pay, a, as in the letter A, awesome, awe. Did you notice how the sound of the letter A changes in each of these words? If yes, great. If not, then let's hear them again. Arm, ah, apple, a, pay, a, awesome, awe. That's the reason, guys, why we need to take a quick look at phonetics, which is the study of speech sounds. These symbols represent various sounds and are referred to as phonemes. What we need to understand is that in the English language, the letters of the alphabet carry different sounds, as we saw in our example with the letter A. Hence, English is often referred to as a non-phonetic language. That is, not pronounced the way it is written. In English, we have two broad categories of sounds: consonant and vowel sounds. We have included this page in our handout section on our webpage for your reference and further understanding. If you need more help with the sounds, then please write to us and we will be glad to accommodate more material and videos in our handout section. The other components of pronunciation are syllable and syllable stress. The definition of syllables is that they are units of sound within a word, and syllable stress is the intonation or stress on the appropriate unit within a word. Here's an example. Let's dissect the word pronunciation. Pr, nun, si, a, shun. Let's count the syllables again. Pr, nun, si, a, shun. This word has 5 syllables, and that would be the syllable count. Now let's see where the syllable stress is in pronunciation.
Pronunciation. Pronunciation.
The first and the strongest stress is on A, and the second and the softer stress is on nun, pronunciation. So there you go, guys. You have learned how to count syllables and stress on the right syllable. You can practice the same with other words as well. Let me give you a few. Photography, communication, adventurous, awesome. Write down your answers below in the comments section. For further reference, you can check the course material on syllable and syllable stress. In this video, we have covered pronunciation and its elements: sounds, consonant and vowels, and syllable stress. Along with this video, we have also shared the course material for a deeper understanding of these mechanisms. And I'm always here to answer any question you may have or anything that you would like to discuss about the module. That's all for today, folks. Once again, if the video is good for you, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And smack that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next class with more aspects of communication. Till then, take care and happy learning.